Elrond, Egld, EGLD, is a local utility token fueling Elrond, a stage offering extremely quick exchanges using versatile state sharding. It expands on the ideas presented by some blockchain networks like Elrond, carrying inventive highlights and with the general mishmash. Elrond was established in 2017. Elrond's motivation, as frequently is the situation in the blockchain space, is to offer an ideal answer for the blockchain trilemma, giving adaptability while keeping the organization secure and decentralized. One of the additional promising ways of accomplishing this is sharding, a method first utilized in quite a while. It involves parting the data set into interconnected pieces, or shards, which can be handled at the same time, in this way accelerating the work. Blockchain can use three sorts of sharding: organization, exchange, and state sharding, all of which accompany their difficulties. Elrond utilizes every one of the three sorts, which makes this organization particularly quick. One more advancement spearheaded by Elrond is the Protected Confirmation of Stake Agreement System, SPOS, which is an enhancement for the first evidence of stake. In SPOS, the block proposer hub is chosen arbitrarily, making it erratic and in this manner hard to mess with. Likewise, validator hubs are picked in view of their stake as well as considering their rating, a background marked by the hub's way of behaving. Elrond coin, Egld, is utilized for marking, exchange charges, different installments like the Brilliant Agreement expenses, and is an essential mode of trade on the stage. EGLD token holders will likewise be qualified to guarantee Elrond MEX, the symbolic that will be disseminated to the clients of MAIR Trade, a DEX that is a piece of the Elrond environment. Elrond cost rose breathtakingly in the primary long periods of 2021, it was exchanging at $25 around New Year's, however by February EGLD cost has proactively reached $196. The bull run on the crypto market proceeded, and in April Elrond coin crested at $239. After this, Egld went through a long revision with a depressed spot of about $54 in mid-July. As the crypto market recuperated, so did Egld token cost. By early September, it was exchanging above $180. The genuine siphon came in the second 7-day stretch of September, however, as there were a few significant declarations around then. The greatest of them was most likely the arrival of the MAIR application highlight that permits the acquisition of EGLD with a charge card. Those improvements saw Elrond token ascend to another untouched high of $294.92 and left crypto financial backers with high expectations about Elrond's future cost. From mid-September 2021 Elrond cost gauge looks extremely bullish. EGLD's cost, most importantly, has figured out how to get through numerous protections, eminently at around $145 and $200. There may be indications of a pullback beginning after September 13th, so on the off chance that it happens it merits watching whether the opposition zone at $239, $241 will turn into another help line. In the event that Egld skips up off this line, Elrond's cost expectations for 2021, at any rate, are most likely going to be generally very excellent. The second bullish sign is a cup and handle design apparently framing since the spring, with the handle beginning in late August. This, as well, can be deciphered as a clue towards the great Elrond, Egld, cost expectations that are coming. Elrond value expectation for 2022. As of Elrond cost expectations until the end of 2022, there are dissimilar sentiments. Expects an upswing towards $55.84, and reverberations with $80.042 constantly's end. Different specialists, for instance, are more negative about Elrond's future cost, referring to numbers downwards of $3.0984 in December. Elrond value expectation for 2023. In their Elrond cost expectations for 2023, estimates the coin's cost to go down to $45.9596 by December. Anticipating Elrond future, anticipates further abatement of its cost, as well, saying the Elrond cost will reach $39.7628 at that point. Going against the norm, continues anticipating Elrond cost development, providing cost estimates around $56.11 in 2023. Elrond value expectation for 2024. Elrond cost expectations for 2024 are still prevalently positive, for certain experts promising costs in the $60.9350 to $85.663 territory. Wallet investor takes an alternate view and refers to the chance of the cost coming to $23.7544 in December 2024. Elrond value expectation for 2025. Has just good faith coming up for the 2025 Elrond cost expectation, esteeming Elrond at $60.4188 toward the finish of 2025. Concurs with a positive gauge and predicts, thus, $104.511 for a similar period. Then again, is more negative. Their Elrond cost expectation for December of this current year is simply $21.1724. Elrond value expectation for 2030. Talking about long-haul Elrond cost expectations for 2030, specialists present two polar assessments. Communicates the view that Elrond cost will not become further and, oppositely, will decline to $43.89462. Cost expectation for Elrond reverberations with the projection of a downtrend to $21.6888. Regardless of this, vision stays positive, promising development up to $52.1564. As it very well may be obvious from the investigation referred to above, Elrond, Egld, projections are fairly incongruous. There is no general agreement either about certain or negative future Egld cost developments. For sure, the future conceivable development relies upon different elements, declarations, new mechanical arrangements of the Elrond projects, the crypto climate by and large, lawful position, etc. We benevolently advise you that prior to putting resources into any cryptographic money, it is fundamental to do your own examination, DYOR. Indeed, you ought to put resources into Elrond, Egld, digital currency if you need to expand your portfolio and won't hesitate to face challenges. The greater part of the Elrond crypto expectations are generally excellent, promising development for this coin. Note that there are some Elrond, Egld, cost expectations that are not exactly hopeful, albeit the greater part of those concur that regardless of whether it loses some worth, it won't be a disastrous misfortune. There is an unexpected climb in the Elrond coin, Egld, value as a result of a few significant improvements around the undertaking. The main one is the new usefulness in the May